Here's how to make Instagram Reels play continuously without scrolling. So, first, you need to go ahead and update your Instagram application. So, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device and go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you find it, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, open your Instagram application and log into your specific account. Then open the Reels tab, and once you do that, on the Reels screen, you need to tap on the three dots icon on the right side menu. And there you'll get the option of auto scroll that is below the view full screen option. Go ahead and toggle this switch and you'll be done. You can also adjust the playback speed to 2x or 3x, and Reels will play one after another automatically. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.